It is the unboxing and review of the Kreo Slab Light. Experience professional grade illumination with advanced LED light featuring flicker-free technology and adjustable color temperature for YouTube video, Instagram reel making, videography and photography. Paired with metal deck stand with adjustable height and simple control buttons at the back. This ultra bright slab light is not only suitable for corporates and creators but also gamers and artists. This is the Kreo Slab packaging box, written Kreo on the top, slab glow getter, sleek and sturdy, made up of ABS and metal construction, wide temperature range with 5 adjustable tones, easy placement with compact deck stand, and with 300 days warranty, more than 1 year, and activate warranty by directly scanning the QR code here. Backside of the box pack written necessary information and the MRP 3500 rupees but got the product at 2200 rupees approximately. Now let's open the box pack. Inside the box pack, first you will get one instruction manual, one ultra bright rectangular slab light with color rendering index 95+, which is excellent, and with 120 light beads. One adjustable and foldable metal stand of minimum height 27 cm to 47 cm maximum. One round metal base with Kreo logo on the top and anti-skid base at the bottom. You can see here. And with one mobile holder with Kreo branding and which can be fitted properly on the metal stand at any height. One tightening screw for fixing the slab with the metal rod and with 2 Kreo stickers. Now let's attach the metal stand with the metal rounded base in this way. Now the metal stand height is 27 cm. If you try to increase the height, then you have to do in this way, and the total maximum height will be 47 cm according to the company. Now let's attach the rectangular glass slab with the metal rod by this tightening screw. For fixing the desired tilting, another one screw is fitted just below the slab. This is the tilt adjusting screw. Now let's connect the slab light with a power source, either with a power bank or with a adapter of 5V 1A rating. Now let's see the 4 functional buttons of the slab light at the back. Extreme left button according to me is a switch on off button. You can see here. Second button from the left side is for decreasing intensity. Right extreme button for increasing intensity. And this button, that is the third button from the left, is for changing the color tone of the slab light. Now let's observe minutely the 5 color temperature of the slab light from warm to cool. Now let's increase the intensity of the light with step-by-step manner. Maximum intensity is 1455 lumen, that is hyperluminous. You can adjust the tilting of the slab light by tightening and loosening the screw. Adjust height according to your wish from 27 cm to 47 cm. Apart from the videography, this can be used as a perfect reading light for study purposes. From the top of the slab light, it measures approximately 19 inch, and when expanded in full length, it measures 24.5 inch approximately. The rounded base is stable, but it should have been with more area for more stability. Tilting in forward direction is stable. Tilting 90 degree is also stable, but tilting backward is not actually stable. It is not required also. 0 degree tilting is ultra stable. Now let's attach the smartphone holder with the metal rod according to the video in desired orientation and height. You can hold smartphone in portrait and landscape orientation according to your wish. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of this product and also about the conclusion of this product. The slab light offers ultra bright light with 1455 lumen. At the same time, it provides eye comfort due to its diffused covering on it. It is suitable for shooting video on table or desk. Can be used as study light. Build quality is also premium. Price is slightly in higher side. This is the only con.